This video will show you how to divide one column by another column in Excel. Select the column where you want to put the division results. Type in the formula, =, select cell, / another cell. Press Enter. This divides the first cell by the second cell. To apply the calculation to the entire column, just drag the bottom right corner of the quotient down the column to divide all cells in the columns. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.